Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your BeReal app on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log out of your BeReal app, first tap open your BeReal. Here I have my BeReal app opened up and I'm in my first home page. From the main home page of BeReal app, tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. From your profile page, tap the three dots at the top right hand corner and at the very bottom, tap on the log out button in order to log out of your app. Confirm signing out by tapping on the sign out button and you'll be able to log out of your BeReal app. Next time you log in, you'll need to type in your name, follow the on-screen prompts and register your mobile number in order to get access to your BeReal account. That is how it can be done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.